Hello, this is Zaman Nasir and I'm co-founder of Women Rec, and I'm here to ask for your investment for 500,000 for marketing in return of 10% of our company share, Women Rec. So Women Rec is an online platform where you can buy your favorite outfit, customize by your choice of your size. Just you have to give your best measurement, and while being in your office while doing your work you can order your dress, so you can take care of your office, your work, and we are gonna take care of your outfit. um, Further will be explained by my group members.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Famia Javeed and I am here with my group members to present the business which we have started. The business which we have started, it is a online customized tailoring for women, and we name our business as a women rack. And so basically for women to find out the clothes which fit them exactly, it is a very difficult task, and to find the professional tailors and going for the numerous fitting sessions is a very difficult task. So we are here for women to give them everything under one umbrella. Well, the key partners of our business is that we have four raw material suppliers, in which two of them are the clothes suppliers and two of them are the lace and button suppliers. These four are the wholesaler suppliers. Our second is that we have our two professional tailors who stitch the clothes very professionally. And the third is we have our two courier service suppliers. The first one is MNP supplier and the second one is leopard supplier. And the key activities of our business is that we keep inspection of our orders, we keep checking on our tailors, we keep checking on the comments and the feedbacks of the customers. And the fourth thing is we have an online ordering process. So in online ordering process, many women faces that how we are going to give the measurements in online ordering process. So in our business we give them videos. We also posted our pictures and videos on our pages on our websites to how to take measurements. So the videos and pictures works very easily for them, and they also learn how to take measurements. And so in this online customized tailoring business, we give them everything under one umbrella.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Noor Asmat and my topic name is Value Proposition. Why you should do a business with us? Because our business of online women customized tailor has a proper planning of business. We also has a two professional tailor who work very smartly and professionally. We also facilitate suppliers and also provide over customer full information. Like mostly customers are confused about the measurement in online trailing. But here we are with the complete information, like providing over customer measurement videos and also providing a standard size chart. Now my second heading is customer relationship. Providing customer a good quality is with reasonable price is our first goal. We always will touch with our customer through social media website like Facebook, Instagram, and we also take comments and feedback of our customers, because if customers are satisfied, everything is fine.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Faria Khan and my topic name is channel. So channels are the way through which we easily communicate with our customers. Simply, it is used to convey information signal. Our platform is to provide everything under one umbrella. Basically, we are focusing on customized tailoring and doing paid marketing to connect to our customers through social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Next, payment channel. The payment channel which we use is cash on delivery, means customers pays for a good at the time of delivery. Further, for distribution channel, we use M&P and Leopard. Moreover, we have our some suppliers and resellers that provide material for stitching suits. So, thank you.
Syed Subhan Ahmed, and I covered the topic of customer segmentation. कस्टमर सेगमेंटेशन में हमने पाकिस्तान की उन वुमेन को टारगेट किया है फ्रॉम एज 18 टू एज 45 जो ट्रेडिशनली और ओकेजनली क्या वेयर करना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती हैं, जिसमें कंफर्टेबल फील करती हैं. तो हमारे सामने जब हमने सर्वे किया था तो हमारे सामने एक रिज़ल्ट आया है, जैसे फ्रॉम एज 18 टू एज 25 तक की जो वुमेन हैं वो मोस्टली कैजुअल वेयर करना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कुर्तीज़। एंड फ्रॉम एज 25 टू एज 35 की जहाँ पर जो वुमेन हैं वो प्रेफर करती हैं फॉर्मल वेयरिंग्स। एंड फ्रॉम एज 35 टू एज 45 जो हमारा रिजल्ट आया वो आया मिक्स रिजल्ट आया है, क्योंकि उसमें से कुछ वुमेन्स जो है वो कैजुअल वेयर पसंद करती हैं एंड कुछ वुमेन्स जो है वो फॉर्मल वेयरिंग्स पसंद करती हैं। तो हमने उनके रिव्यूज़ जानने के बाद हमें मेजॉरिटी वुमेन का जो मसला आ रहा है वो ये मसला आ रहा है कि हमारी वुमेन को अगर किसी ड्रेस का डिज़ाइन या एम्ब्रॉयडरी पसंद आता है तो उसका कलर या स्टफ बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता। अगर उसका स्टफ और कलर अट्रैक्टिव लगता है, उनको पसंद आता है, तो उसका डिज़ाइन पसंद नहीं आता। तो हमने एक नई इनोवेशन लेकर आए हैं उन वुमेंस के लिए जो ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स पे ज़्यादातर बिलीव करती हैं, क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम सेविंग होता है। तो हम उनके लिए एक नया इनोवेशन लेकर आए हैं ताकि हम उन कस्टमर के जो प्रोडक्ट है उनकी नॉलेज के हिसाब से बना सकें। हमारा इनोवेशन जो बिज़नेस है वो है कस्टमाइज टेलरिंग का, जिसमें काफ़ी टाइम सेविंग है और हम अपने कस्टमर को प्रोवाइड करेंगे हर चीज़ अंडर वन अम्ब्रेला। थैंक यू।
Let's discuss the finance of our company. So the balance sheet in which we are seeing that the current assets, cash on hand was 6,47,000. All the fixed assets includes 3,53,000. So the total assets are about 10 lakh. And the liabilities here are 1,20,000, and the long term liabilities involve the investors principal amount, which is 5 lakh. So the total liability on WomenRack balance sheet was 6,20,000. If you see the startup expenses of our brand, the total starter expenses we have 6,59,000. The cash raised by 5 of our members were 1 lakh each, so the total of 5 lakh. The investment we have taken from the investor was 5 lakh on 2.5% return per month, which is around 12,500 return per month. So the total planned investment was 10 lakh, in which we can subtract the startup expenses, which was 6,59,000. So the total capital on hand is 3,41,000. If we look on the financial plan of WomenRack, so we can see that our gross profit for month 1 was 40,000, and our expenses was 1,20,000. So we faced a loss of 80,000 for month 1. That's how we gone through the year. So at the end of year we got total gross profit of 17,34,500, in which we have less the expenses, which was 14,40,000. So the net profit of first year is around 2,94,500, which is due to the startup, and at after 4 months, after 6 months, we gone through our break-even point. So that's it. If we see the break-even analysis, as a product, as we have product range or category of more than 2, so we have used weighted average contribution margin method for break-even point, in which we have get the break-even. So the break-even is 132 units per month for getting the break-even of all our variable expenses.